Hello from Slovenia again. I just love uh, Slovenia name of our country and our country at all, but the name of our country has love in it, so I just love Slovenia. So this is I want to show you my experiment, my psychedelic tree. I just want to show you these beautiful details because I went out of battery on the video, so I can't show you in the video these beautiful details. You see colors stayed as they are. It's dry. I love this shimmer of the cashmere gold. I still don't know which way I must show you this to be right for you. I just don't know. I am learning, so I think I will be better and better. So this is our psychedelic tree. I love it. I love trees. And when I talk about trees, I just want to shout out one artist again because I love I love her. She plays with tree shapes too, and with satin enamel, and his name is Heather Mother. I don't know. I will put her link link to her channel in my description. Go check because she does beautiful work, and she loves to experiment too, and I love her work, and she is a very nice lady. So check her if you didn't already. I forgot that I didn't put my base coat, so I will just pause you because my videos are always so long and I will not bother you with my base coat. I will pause you and I'll be back when I I I have my base coat ready. So I'm back. My base coat is ready. We will go, we will do some reverse dip with plastic wrap again. And I will talk about the colors. I don't have silicone in any of these colors. I will talk while I'm laying it. But today I decide that I will try to do some puddles. And we will see if we can get a little different effect. So I will just try to split this just to have some orientation. And I will do puddles. Maybe I will do like this. I will do 5, and I will not go too much. I will try to go off the center, not off the center, not too close to the center because of the, I think that we will push our paint to the center, so I don't want to be too close to the center. I hope that I didn't go too much. I don't know. We will see. It's just an experiment again. I started with my alizarian violet, and this is alizarian crimson. And I have cadmium red and our cashmere gold and cadmium orange. This is it. And now my cadmium red. We will see what difference does this make if we do puddles. Maybe it's total mistake, but hey, you know me. I will try to fix it if I will. I couldn't. I will scrape it off. Maybe we do a puddle of orange in the middle and our cashmere gold maybe in the middle and a little bit around. And maybe I will just add a bit of this alizarian violet on top, just for the contrast, and a little bit in the middle. And here we go. Our plastic wrap. Tips. And now I will try to I have a lot of air in here. I see already. I will try to circle a little bit on this with my hand on these puddles, or maybe I will just do this. Just oops, there is something there. I think maybe I must gently touch this one in the middle too. So guys, I'm so honored that you like my videos and that I make you laugh sometimes. I just try to be myself and share with you my passion for my experimentation, I will say, because I like this acrylic pouring thing, because I can experiment, not just, it gives so many options to do something different. So, the moment of truth, ta-da! Whoops! Whoops! I will try to grab these corners of my plastic too, and lift. It definitely makes a difference. What do you think? I think I should have pressed this corner a little bit more, but it's just the first time, and we don't know what will I don't know how to say that. Yeah, just experiment, and again we will see what can we do better next time. So what I think is that this is nice, but I should press, you see, press it little more, our puddles, or maybe I have less paint here, I don't know, but I really like this method with, maybe I will just try to torch a little closer here if we can get some nice little cells. And again, it's there is no silicone in those colors. God, I love this. So maybe we should press it just gently through to the edges, and we can maybe get, and maybe a little more to the middle. We will do this again. This is the first try, and it's pretty, I like it. I will take you to our close-up and we will see how it is. So this is our flower. I like it. You see this beautiful center and this gorgeous petal. And this gold is so pretty. I like it. So tell me in the comments what you think and how can we try it next time. Maybe it will be nice if we do it with paper towel, maybe wet paper towel, I don't know, but I like the colors, I like how it turns out. I don't like this part here, obviously. I know this puddle was a little bit bigger, and you see we get almost to the end, but overall I like it. Maybe No, I don't know which way. Maybe this way is the right angle, I don't know, but I like it. I like this middle because we have white in the middle. You see, we have this beautiful cells over the. I like it very much. So, if you like it too, please give me thumb up, subscribe, visit me on my Facebook, Instagram. If you have some questions, you can write me private message and I will try to answer it. So, bye from Slovenia. Till next experiment. Bye.